So I figured that given the sheer volume of rumours, hearsay, misinformation and downright lies that are swirling around with this case, that it would probably be beneficial to start going back over some of the more significant things that we've learnt throughout the past 2 months that these children have been missing. So this video is going to be the first in a series of somewhat shorter videos where I basically just look at one single thing, one significant bit of information that we need to keep in mind when we're listening to all the hearsay and rumours and speculation and all that other stuff. So in this video, I'm going to address the reward money that is being offered, because I don't think anyone has really examined that a great deal. I did discuss this in a recent longer video, but in this video I'm just going to cover just that. For those people who don't want to watch a long form video, you can get the information right here. So let's jump in and have a closer look at this reward fund, because this is significant and I think this gives us a clear indication of where this investigation is in fact headed. So you will have heard that there is a reward of up to $150,000 for information about the disappearance of siblings Lily and Jack Sullivan. Now this reward is offered under the Rewards for Major Unsolved Crimes program, and we need to have a look at this because this is significant. So you can see the link at the top of the page here. This is actually directly from the government site, and it explains what this Rewards for Major Unsolved Crimes is. The Department of Justice is offering cash rewards of up to $150,000 for information leading to the arrest and conviction of persons responsible for specified major unsolved crimes. They are wanting to offer this reward for any help with the arrest and conviction of a person or persons connected to the disappearance of Lily and Jack. This comes directly after hearing this interview that Daniel did, where he spoke about the polygraph test and said that the questions were all based around the belief that Lily and Jack's disappearance was a homicide. And I know this is triggering for many people to be told that this does appear to be a criminal investigation. But this is the information that we've been getting from quite early on, from the 17th of May, when they were calling off the major search. In that press conference, they basically told us that they were switching over to a criminal investigation. While they may not have said it outright, it was pretty damn obvious. And now we have this reward being offered. I would like to believe that they are currently working on building a case against an individual involved with whatever happened to these children, and that we will see an arrest in the near future. And maybe the purpose of this reward is to bring forward more credible witnesses and build a solid case against whoever it is that they are investigating. I hope this isn't an indication that they feel they don't currently have enough evidence for an arrest. Maybe they're just looking for that one puzzle piece to bring it all together. It could of course be also that they are trying to flush out a particular witness Maybe they know that there are individuals that are aware of what actually happened, or it could also be a way of putting pressure on whoever was responsible in the hopes that they will make a mistake. But at the end of the day, whatever the situation is behind the scenes, we are looking at a reward that is for an arrest and a conviction. The reward isn't about discovering the location of the children. It is about prosecuting someone for whatever happened to the children. Whichever way you look at it, this reward points directly towards this being a criminal investigation. So on that note, thanks for listening. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Also, please hit that like button and please leave a comment below. Thank you, and I'll catch you in the next one.